What's up, you guys? This is my Miata. I'm in the process of switching out the motor. While I'm doing that, I'm kind of refreshing the car. The car is over 30 years old, so I decided to tackle some of the fuel system. While I'm doing that, I'm going to be replacing the fuel pump. Here's a new one right here. Decided to show you guys how to do that. First thing we'll do is locate the fuel pump, because the fuel pump is inside the car and is inside the tank. So what we'll do is start taking off these bolts to get to the fuel pump. All right, let me crawl in here. I was a little lazy to take off the top, which I probably would recommend you guys doing. It makes life a little bit easier, but I have no problems crawling in here. So what we're gonna do is start taking off these bolts with just a screwdriver. Hello, magnet. Oh, I thought I was going to come off right there. One more over here. Okay, we got all these loose. Wow. Time to take this cover off. Hello there. Ew, you are dirty and ugly. Oh, and looks like there's a little mouse trap back here. Are you kidding me? Gross. All right, we're gonna vacuum this out. All right. Got the Stanley. Cut that nasty stuff out. All right, now that we got that rat's nest cleaned up, make sure we got all the debris out of here. Now what we got to do is take this cover off. But before we do that, we will unhook these two fuel lines and unclip this clip. Really easy. Just grab a pair of pliers and pull these off, and unclip that. All right, we got the fuel lines off, we got the clip off, and we got these bolts off. Now the next thing to do is what we're gonna do is just pull this up. And we're gonna pull this out over here, and I'm gonna drop it inside this thing so it doesn't make a mess. All right, we got the fuel pump out. Now I'm gonna do is just take it over to the workbench over here. And just swap out the new one with the old. All right, guys. So we just got the new fuel pump in, got the old fuel pump out. All we did was unclip this. There's a screw on the bottom here that just takes off this plate. Just pull this out, take the old, put the new in, put the sock on, and this actually gives you a new plate. So make sure you use the old or the new plate and throw away the old plate, because the old plate just did not get enough space in here. All right, now we're just gonna slide this in here. Same way it went in, same way. Open it out, vice versa. All right, you guys, fuel pump is in. Just went in the exact opposite way we pulled it out. She's good to go.